Remember, remember the 5th of November, the gunpowder treason and plot. I see no reason why gunpowder treason should ever be forgot. Every year in England, we celebrate Bonfire Night on the 5th of November. Bonfire Night marks the day of the gunpowder plot. In 1605, a group gathered together, led by Robert Catesby. Their aim was to kill off the Protestant King James and replace the whole of Parliament with Catholics. On the night the plan was to be executed, the rented cellar below was filled with many barrels of gunpowder. It was surely enough to blow up the whole building. However, as Guy Fawkes entered, about to light the match to set it all on fire and execute the plan, the room was filled with knights and guards. They had been betrayed and their plan had been stopped. On Bonfire Night, people celebrate with music, fireworks. Some people have bonfires in their back garden, other people go out and watch it. All of the plotters were eventually caught. They were hung after being tortured by royal guards. But now, Bonfire Night is a celebration because everyone survived, no one was murdered, and we eventually stopped their horrific plan. So, remember the 5th of November, the gunpowder treason and plot. I see no reason why gunpowder treason should ever be forgot, especially on Bonfire Night.